Welcome to the Big Four Accounting Firms podcast, brought to you by big4accountingfirms.com and the Big Four Accounting Firms YouTube channel. Today's podcast wanted to discuss a new partnership that was announced, and it's technology related. And it's been now announced that Deloitte and UiPath have collaborated together to form an intelligent document system. Now, UiPath will be working with Deloitte Intelligent Document Processing to build a solution for Deloitte and their clients. And this document processing system captures documents in order for their data to be processed. It uses technologies like optical character recognition, also known as OCR, human in the loop, and machine learning, and it combines that with UiPath's RPA technology. And RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. And I previously mentioned on this podcast and on our blog the importance of learning technology for your future success. I recommend doing that to future-proof your career. And I also previously mentioned 3 technologies that you need to learn in order to work in accounting for the future. And one of them was UiPath. I mentioned UiPath, Tableau, and Alteryx, and I'll include a link to that post in that podcast in the show notes. But this is one of the technologies that I want people to learn, because now you can see how the Big Four accounting firms are using this technology. They're partnering with all these 3 technology firms to create solutions for their clients. So you can get ahead of that now, because I'm not sure if everybody's learning that in school. They're probably learning about these things in concept, like artificial intelligence, automation, robotics, but your school might not be telling you how to do these, or they might be just teaching you how to code and they're not teaching you specific softwares. Well, UiPath is a specific software that's out there that the Big Four accounting firms are using and that you can specifically learn how to utilize right now. And UiPath is basically an RPA solution that's ready to go out of the box. You have to have some programming knowledge to get processes up and running, but at least the solution is ready to go. It's built for robotics process automation. You don't have to build everything from the ground. It's a platform where you can build solutions that you want, and it's to do automated tasks on your computer. For example, something that Deloitte is working on is invoice processing, because invoice processing is a problem for a lot of companies, including for Deloitte themselves. And one of the clients they're helping is DHL, which is the package carrier. And DHL has a lot of invoices they have to go through. And they previously have a bunch of employees going through this stuff manually. But now, with this technology, hopefully DHL can use it to process their documents, their invoices, and get the data off of there and then process that data. So I'm sure Deloitte, from what it sounds like, Deloitte already had a solution to read and process the data, but then this UiPath, it can probably perform tasks after that. I mean, UiPath, the possibilities are endless as long as what you want to get done can be done on the computer. It just takes time to program the solution. But if you get specific types of invoices and you want data off of those invoices, then you can use UiPath. And UiPath can feed into other softwares like Alteryx. So this just proves how important technology is in the accounting firms and how valuable you'll be if you learn these solutions. So that's just a brief update on some technology partnerships and some good news that you can utilize to help benefit you and future-proofing your skills and your resume. So stay up to date on all the information on all the technologies the Big Four accounting firms are using. Make sure to subscribe, and thanks for listening.